Hey guys, welcome to Pizza Reviews. Today we've got the Realme X50 5G. This is the 64 gig, 6 gigs of RAM version, and it's an unboxing video. Let's see what's inside. So let's have a look. So I got this off AliExpress. I've been waiting it for a little bit of time. Took the seller about a month to ship this thing. So we got here a nice yellow box. Looks like we have a case of some kind here. Oh, nice, a clear screen protector. It's kind of nice to see. Kind of got a smoked effect to it. Some sort of booklets. Oh, got your phone. Take a look at that in a second. Got a charger. Looks like a fast charger as well. Let's have a look here real quick. We got. Let's focus on that. Yeah, looks like 6 amp, 5 volt, 6 amps. So it doesn't do 12 volts. So we'll see how fast that got charged later on. And a USB-C cord. And a pin inject tool in there. Paper. So let's look at the phone itself. Looks like it's got the quad camera in the back. Let's crack it open here. Looks like it's in the wrapper here. Let's get out of the wrapper. Come on. There we go. So it looks like it's this is the blue version. It's actually really nice back. That's real sharp looking. There's the volume rocker on this side. Top there is a looks like a microphone jack. On this side we have the fingerprint sensor and the power button. On the bottom we've got the SIM tray, the USB-C, and the bottom fire speaker. Looks like there's 2 cameras in front as far as gap here. Realme. It looks like the SIM configurations. We just have a quick look here. It looks like it's one SIM's on one side, the other SIM's on the other side, so it does dual SIM as well. Dual nano SIM. Kind of nice to see. Oh, there we go. So it's oh, there's no oh, what's going on here? Sure, agree. Not sure what it says, but I guess this has the Android 10 gestures left and right. It's pretty quick overall. Looks like it comes. Let's see what it comes with here. It's got the calendar, weather, clock, settings, Bino voice, whatever that is, some sort of wallet, photos, videos, theme store, app market, tools, and it just came into this. Looks like we got the Play Store here as well. Gotta sign into that. So let's see here. Got the phone dialer. Sure, agree. Switch page. Tells you how to switch the pages, whatever else. Let's see what Android comes with here. It's got sign in. Not sure what that says on top. So it looks like it's English, but there's some Chinese on here as well. Let's see about phone. So it's got the Realme X50 5G. I guess you could rename that. Sure. I agree. Cancel. Let's see the. Oh, it's got the faster style keyboard. I guess you have to change that to a normal keyboard. The 26 key keyboard. It's got the Qualcomm SDM765 5G octa-core. Looks like there's almost 50 gigs of available room. No SIM card. It's got Android 10 on it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's overall a pretty nice phone, I gotta say. I'll actually fire up the camera and see what the camera does. See what it looks like here. Yeah, it's got a night shot, video, photo, portrait, 64 meg more. So it's got the ultra macro and panoramic expert slow-mo. Just in the photo department, it's got a 2 or a 5x zoom, it seems like, and we also have the ultra wide lens. So we'll play around with that in another video, but yeah, it looks like it's a basic phone, I guess. Not much to it. I'm still surprised that the back looks really sharp. I guess this will be similar to the OnePlus version of this phone as well. Anyway, if you guys liked the video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks so much.